Subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our newest uploads. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to recover forgotten passwords on Facebook. To do this, open your Facebook app. Then you can directly click on the Forgot Password button. When you click on the Forgot Password button, you can find your account in two ways. We will go forward with the option of finding it with email. Facebook will find the account associated with that email address. When you see your account, press on Next. Then you will have received a confirmation code in your email. Enter the confirmation code and press Next. Then you will be asked to enter a new password for your Facebook account. Please make sure you log out of all the other devices if you feel there is a security threat to your account. After you have entered your new password and clicked on Next, you will have successfully recovered your forgotten password and will be redirected to your Facebook account. In this way, you can recover forgotten password in Facebook. If you found this video helpful or informative, don't forget to drop us a like and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.